Welcome back to Learning with Our Difference News Headlines in English for 7th of January. And first of all, national news. Adani among potential suitors eyeing stake in government backed power trader. In Uttarakhand's sinking town, people camp out on cold nights in fear of collapse. Amazon plan to lay off around 1,000 employees in India, a report said. Use restraining devices, regulator to airlines on unruly passengers. Foreign universities will be able to apply online to open campuses in India. Trinamool released first list of candidates for Meghalaya polls. Rahul Gandhi slammed centre over Agnipath scheme GST at Haryana rally. Fresh 395 crore bank fraud case against Unitech, its former directors. India to host Voice of Global South meet next week. 120 nations invited. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh visited Naval Air Station INS Baz in Andamans. Clinical trials of new TB vaccine to start soon. Ex-scientific body chief. Now some international news. India deployed its largest single unit of women peacekeepers in UN mission. Uncertainty for TikTok after US government ban. Amid pressure over US border crossings, Biden stepped up migrant expulsions. Biden said Putin trying to find some oxygen with Ukraine ceasefire order. Taiwan offered China help again to tackle COVID-19 surge. Germany, US to send combat vehicles to Ukraine to fight against Russia. Hypocrisy propaganda. Ukraine dismissed Russian ceasefire declaration. US warship crossed sensitive Taiwan Strait. China angered. And now some sports news. Delhi Cricket DDCA sacked selection panel for senior team with immediate effect, a report said. Ranji Trophy, Avesh Khan stars in MP's big win over Vidarbha. Baseless, Asian Cricket Council slammed PCB chairman's comments targeting Jai Shah. UEFA President Alexander Sefrin unopposed for new mandate. Rupees 1 crore reward for each player if India win Hockey World Cup. Naveen Patnaik. Daniil Medvedev, Arena Sabalenka powered into Adelaide International semi-finals. And now news related to business. Reducing inflation top priority for South Asian nations. RBI Governor. Dabur India expects Q3 revenue to rise on late demand pickup. Indian economy estimated to grow at 7% in 2022-23 government data. Rupee fall 9 paise to close at 82.71 against US dollar. Sensex fallen for third day, ended below 60k. Government RBI in talks with few South Asian countries for rupee trade. Shaktikant Das, news from Science and Technology. Carbon dioxide in deep earth may play larger role in climate change than previously assumed. Carnegie Mellon researchers project 2 out of 3 glaciers could be lost by 2100. NASA's Perseverance rover dropped 4th sample on Mars. And that's all in news. Thank you.